If you like natural looking makeup, then Senna's Earth Pigment palette is for you. It creates the nude look that we can't seem to get enough of. This palette's velvety textures makes your application quick and so easy. I prepped Nicole's skin with Senna's Sea Algae Cream, the under eye area with Sculpting Eye Cream, and then for the foundation, I used our Barely Base Sheer Mineral Makeup. To create this look, you want to start with a matte eyeshadow. So I'm using Veil. This is a very creamy, high pigmented color. We're gonna pat Veil all over the eyelid. This gives such a clean look to the eye. It opens it up, it brightens it. So I want you to compare each look of the eye with the, now look down, Nicole. Do you see the difference? Do you see how clean and smooth the lid looks? This gives me my canvas to apply the other shades. The next shade I'm going to be using is Stone. This is a beautiful neutral brown color, a medium tone, and I'm going to be using the Feather 15 brush. This will give a very soft contour right in the crease area. So I'm placing the point of the Feather 15 brush right in that orbital bone. And we're gonna go like a windshield wiper, back and forth like a windshield wiper. One thing that you don't want to do is go into the inner corner, especially if you have dark circles around the eyes, because it will connect and make the eye look deeper and more shadowed. So now I want to line the eyes. Lining the eyes really defines the shape of the eye. So I'm going to be using the deepest color, which is Eclipse, a rich, deep black brown. And I've already wet my flat liner brush. So I'm going to apply it wet so I get a really crisp line. We're going to go across the top lid above the lash. Quick and easy. Look at how beautiful, it just gives that impact. I'm also gonna take it and go under the lower lashes. Make sure you get right to the lash line. So now I'm gonna be using the Eclipse Dry with the flat liner brush. This gives a softer liner look. It's shadow liner. Now it's time to highlight our masterpiece. So I'm taking Sandbar, which is a very luminous shade of a beige, a deeper beige, and we're gonna highlight underneath the brow. We always want a little glow. Now to add more warmth and dimension to the eye, I'm going to be applying Spice with the Mini Feather 19 brush. So we're going to start at the outer edge of the eye and then go right in that eye socket. To finish the eye makeup look, I'm going to be using our Lash Detail Mascara. It fits right into those inner corners. Just gives the right amount for a very beautiful natural daytime look. I can even fill her brows in with this palette. I can either take Eclipse if you have deeper hair color, or Stone, which I'm going to be using on Nicole. Gives a very soft, luxurious look to the brow. It has a little bit of a glow to it. I'm not going across. You want to follow the way the hair grows. So we're going in an upward direction when we're filling in the brow. I'm going to take Stone, which is a very neutral brown, and apply right underneath the cheekbone, coming forward only to the end of the eye. I'm going to make our carved out structure and then buff up. Next, I'm going to highlight with Sandbar. I'm going to use the Babyface 21 brush, my favorite brush, and the favorite among so many pro makeup artists. We're going to highlight the cheekbone, the top of the cheekbone, and brush it right up into the eye area. Going to go down the center of the nose. We're going to go above the lip, on the chin, middle of the forehead. I finished the look with Naked Ultra Last Lip Liner and Bohemian Matte Fixation Lipstick. And that's it. A look that takes minutes and ends up looking timeless.